Hi, I'm Brittany from the Artist Relations team at YouTube Music. I'm going to walk you through all the new analytics for the official artist channels. These new features will help you better understand your performance, growth, and success as an official artist on YouTube. So let's get started. First, sign into your artist channel and head to YouTube Studio Beta. Click Analytics on the left-hand side. At the top, you'll see a summary of some key metrics. Views counts the number of times one of your songs were played on YouTube or YouTube Music, which includes fan videos. Watch time shows the total amount of time that viewers spent watching your videos. Unique viewers shows how many of your viewers are unique visitors. Whether they watch on desktop or mobile, or watch more than once, that person counts as one unique viewer. Below the top card, you can find your top songs. This shows you your most viewed songs, which includes official content that you've uploaded to your channel, as well as videos uploaded by others that feature your songs. This can help you understand what content is resonating most with your audience. The real-time activity card gives you a quick snapshot of estimated views data for your channel and top songs from the last 48 hours. This report gives you early insights into performance of your most recent uploads. If you want to know who's watching your videos, check out the top cities, top countries, gender, and age cards. You can use these cards to see where most of your viewers are located, which genders are watching most, and which age groups they're in. This information may be helpful when planning future tours and concerts. And don't forget, you also have all the powerful data that lives in the rest of YouTube Analytics. And that's it.